Hey sweeties, welcome back to ApetAIte, where tasty recipes meet AI magic. Today, I'm showing you how to make a rich, fudgy chocolate cake. And guess what? No oven needed. Let's go. Here's what you will need. 2 packs of chocolate biscuit, a cup of warm milk, a teaspoon of baking powder, and some melted chocolate for topping. That's if you want that extra indulgence. Start by crushing those biscuits into fine crumbs. You can use a blender or smash them in a Ziploc bag. Now pour in your warm milk, add baking powder, and mix it all up until smooth. We want a thick, creamy batter, not too runny. Grease your cake pan and pour the batter in. Grease the top. Now grab a large pot, add little water, place a rack inside and bring it to a gentle boil. Put the cake pan on the rack. Cover it and steam on low heat for 35 minutes. No picking, let the steam do its magic. After 35 minutes, check with your toothpick. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let it cool a bit, then drizzle that luscious melted chocolate on top. Heaven! And there you go, soft, moist, chocolatey goodness without an oven. If you love this recipe, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to ApetAIte. More tasty AI-powered recipes are coming every week. Thanks for watching and happy baking!